to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. My name is Madison. Thank you so much for joining. Today, guys, I have my long-awaited Bibbidi Bobbidi Boxes unboxing for you guys. Oh my god, I am so excited. I am so happy to be sitting here with you guys for two reasons. One, I have not filmed a video in front of a camera in so freaking long. I'm gonna say October. Yeah, October-ish. Oh my god. And then second off, it is my favorite time of the month. It is my Triple B unboxing. And for those of you that don't know what Triple B unboxing is, it is my Disney subscription service for Bibbidi Bobbidi Boxes. And basically every month, guys, I go and I unbox one of these for you. I do pay for this fully with my own money. I am not sponsored. Hashtag would love to be sponsored. But I do this on my own, and honestly, I love this company so much. I will put a little timestamp right here when I actually get into this box, which is my birthday box. Yes, I am unboxing November 2019, even though we're in 2020. I'm unboxing my birthday box, which is super exciting. So again, I'm gonna quickly talk about the company here. So basically what Triple B is, it is a monthly Disney subscription service that gets delivered to your doors. And I just want to put a quick disclaimer out there. They do not ship international. They are only in their state for right now, and unfortunately they don't do international. I do, however, cross the border to pick up my package, and honestly I still think it's completely worth it. Brenda, Becky, and Amanda, if you're watching this, please bring back international shipping. I don't care what I have to pay. Please, please, please. And I know I am not the only one out there that wishes that they would bring it back. But anyways, let's not talk about that. We are talking about this amazing Disney subscription. And basically what it is these ladies have created this company that is one of a kind. And when I mean that, I literally mean one of a kind. I get a slice of Disney directly to my door every single month, and it is created for me. And when I say that, it's basically you go in and you select what type of box you would like. They have 4 main boxes, which is Dreams, Wishes, Fantasy, and Ultimate Magic, that range from $39.99 all the way to $119. And those are their main ones. They also have Wizards Vaults, which is more of the Harry Potter. They also have, I'm pretty sure, treat subscriptions, as well as their 2 smaller boxes, which is $9.99 and $19, which is their Sparkle and their Bling box, which is pin-oriented or stickers and magnets. And basically, once you've selected one of the boxes that you would like, you then get your own preference manager. And what this is, ladies and gentlemen, this is where it gets cool and it gets totally different than other companies. It is 100%, I said that really weird, 100% customizable. What you're gonna do is you're gonna log into that preference manager and you are gonna write everything down that you love and everything down that you hate. They're gonna ask you questions if you want food in your boxes, or t-shirts, or what phone you have, or if you want ears or if you don't want ears, you know, if you want spirit jerseys, if you don't want spirit jerseys. They literally have every single question that you could think of. They also have a section where you tick off items that you want in your box. Do you want novelty items, or do you want gym shores, or do you want clothing, or vice versa, you know. And then what it is it creates a general reading, I would say, about you that the girls over at Bibbidi Bobbidi would be able to create and package this box specifically for you, which I think is completely amazing. And honestly, their price points are unbeatable, in my opinion. You definitely get a bang for your buck. Again, I am not sponsored. I just love this company so much, and I stand by 100% with what they are doing. So what you are guaranteed in each box, I will leave a link in the description box below for their website, but I do the Dream subscription, which is the lowest tiered box, which is $39.99 plus shipping. So I'll put the total somewhere here on the screen. I think it's probably about $41, give or take, and that is US. And again, I am Canadian, so it will get converted over in my bank account, but still, I don't even care. I am nowhere near the parks. I don't want to say I've never been to the parks. I have, but a long, long time ago. I haven't been in so long. So for me, it's totally worth it. Again, I will leave their Instagram, their Facebook, and their email if you guys have any questions. Their customer service is impeccable. Honestly, their customer service is amazing. If you've ever had any issues or tracking or something specific that you would like in your box, they are totally there 24/7. And I think that's everything I'm going to quickly talk about. That. If you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below and I will gladly reply as best as I can, as well as on Instagram and on their Facebook. I try and reply as much as possible. So again, I'm no way affiliated with them. I just love this company and I know a lot about them. So with that being said, again, we are going to get into my November birthday box and I am so excited. Let's get unboxing. So something I do here on my channel is I let you guys peek first because I honestly love that when I watch unboxings. So I'm just gonna quickly open it. I'm not gonna look at anything. Okay, you guys ready? This is for you first. Ooh! It slipped out. What are we looking at? What are we looking at? Oh, they wrote me a happy birthday. Thanks, guys. I'm just gonna put this off to the side here, so sorry if I'm looking down. We have all these cards on top. So we're gonna say a quick note about your box. This box has fewer items of higher value as opposed to more items of lesser value. We hope you love it. To change this option, please update your preference manager. So again, that preference manager I was talking about, you can select a box that says less items but have a higher value, or you could select saying give me all the items that I can get for the amount that I've paid for. So that's an option as well. And then we have our card, which is she knows if you've been scary or nice. Happy holiday season from the team here at BBB, Amanda, Becky, and Brenda. And again, this is Ross for Monsters Inc., which coincides with our little packing slip this month with Mike and Sully. Oh my God, I love Monsters Inc. so much. So I am definitely gonna be framing this guy, probably putting it on my wall. And then I also keep my packing slips just because I like to look back on what I got. So I'm not gonna look at this, like it says, no peeking. This is your packing slip, so everything that's in your box will be listed in here with the prices as well. So I'm gonna put that off to the side. I think I got like a t-shirt or something because I don't know if you guys can see this up here in the corner. But what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna quickly rip the sticker and I'm gonna let you guys look first, tell me what you can see. Oh, if I can do this. All right, okay, here we go. Do you guys see anything? Okay, we got some crinkly papers. So no way! Oh my God, I'm so excited. Guys, I got the Coco ears. Oh my God, I'm fangirling. Oh my God. Guys, look at how beautiful these are. Oh my God. These are stunning. Okay, I need to quickly get off these tags. I've been yelled at before for these things. And I'm gonna put this on my head right now. We're gonna do a little ear swap. So these are gonna come off. And we are gonna put these on. Guys, look at those. Those are so beautiful. Sorry if I'm looking in the viewfinder. I'm like looking at them. Oh my God, they are gorgeous. I love the big purple bow. It's totally me. I am more of the darker side. I know Coco's not dark, but I mean like the darker colors and stuff. That's totally me. So these are gorgeous. And again, this was in my preference manager that I would like anything Coco. It's one of my favorite movies. And I'm pretty sure I even put as a specific item that I wanted these in my preference manager again. So if you guys, you know, if you're not liking anything in your box or for some reason, if you are disappointed, check out your preference manager, go over it, mark everything off with a T, like get super descriptive because it will be an easier way for the girls to find out what you would like in your box. Like these because I am super excited. I love this. Okay, and I think I have one more item in my box. I don't know what this is. Is this a Spirit jersey? I'm gonna cry. Guys! Oh my God. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Dude, this glows in the dark. Oh my God, guys. This is my first Spirit jersey. I'm a little bit teary. Oh my God, guys, look at this. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. I am totally wearing this in my next video with my ears that I also got from Bibbidi. Oh my God, guys. This is stunning. So we have the wallpaper on the bottom half here. If you can see, it is this dark, beautiful purple. Again, I love the purple theme here. And then it does have Ghost Host on the front with it, and then on the back, like a spirit jersey would, it has the Haunted Mansion right across the back. I do have in my preference manager, I like to have larges or extra larges for my clothes, just because, you know, I'd rather have it baggy than fitting, if that makes sense. So this is a large, but this is like huge. Like, it's probably taking up the screen. Like, it's pretty big, but you know what? That is totally fine by me. I could sleep in this if I wanted to. It is a large, and this is a Disney Park exclusive. There is no price on it, but again, that's why we have the packing slip, because the packing slip will tell us the total amount. So I'm gonna quickly look in the packing slip and find out how much everything was. So, yes, okay, so the girls actually ended up upgrading me for my birthday to the fantasy box, so I did just want to let you guys know that. And it says my Disney Park Spirit jersey was $64.99, and my Disney Park exclusive ears were $29.99. Now I know the headbands have gone up in price. They were, I think, $27.99 or $26.99. And I know these are a little bit older, but fine by me. Again, I'm nowhere near the park, so I will not complain ever. So my total box retail value was $94.98, which is incredible. The fantasy box is the third tier, which is normally, so it's like $39.49, so it's $59. So normally the fantasy would be $59 plus your shipping, and I got $94 worth of merchandise, which is unbelievable. Like a definite bang for your buck. So I think my birthday box was a freaking banger. How do you guys think? Comment down below if you get Bibbidi Bobbidi, what was your favorite item from your box? Or if you don't and you liked my box, what was your favorite item from my box? Again, I just want to say thank you so much to Brenda, Becky, and Amanda for this. I am honestly honored. I love you girls. And again, if you guys have any comments or questions about this service, please leave them in the description box below. And I hope to see you in another unboxing. Have a good one. Bye.